Look at this. Is this a common fish?
Hi.
Look at this. Is this a goldfish?
Goodbye.
Look at this. Is this a jaguar cichlid fish?
Yes.
Look at this. Is this a lobster? Look at this. Is this a common fish?
Uh-oh.
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Wow.
Look at this. Is this a koi fish? Look at this. Is this an eel?
No.
Look at this. Is this a red devilfish?
Yes.
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Yeah!
Look at this. Is this a channel fish?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went,
Look at this.
Mary went.
Is this an eel?
Everywhere
Goodbye.
that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day.
Look at this. Is this a broomfish?
It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made
Look at
the
this.
children laugh
Is this a red
and
devilfish?
the lamb
Hi.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the
Look at
teacher
this.
turned
Is
it
this
out,
a common
but
fish?
still it lingered
No.
near, and waited patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Look at this. Is this a koi fish?
Uh-oh.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried.
Look at this.
Why Mary
Is this a
loves the
goldfish?
lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Look at this. Is this a common fish?
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Look at this. Is this a red devilfish? Look at this. Is this a jaguar cichlid fish?
Wow.
Woohoo!
Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Wow!
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Goodbye!
Look at this. It is a pearl gourmet fish.
Hi!
Look at this. It is a lobster. Look at this. It is a zebra cichlid fish.
Yes!
Look at this. It is a turtle. Look at this. It is a red devil fish.